Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your shopping decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the eufy X8 Pro, and on the right, the Tikom L9000. Let's see which one will suck up the competition. The eufy X8 Pro will set you back a whopping $649. It's like paying for a tiny butler that only vacuums. Meanwhile, the Tikom L9000 comes in at a much more wallet-friendly $249. With Tikom, you can still afford to eat after buying it. Both of these bad boys boast 4,000 pascals suction power. That's right, folks, they both suck equally hard. But eufy claims to have a twin turbine system. Reviewers say that the eufy X8 Pro has strong suction power, leaving no dog hair behind and creating beautiful track patterns on area rugs. However, that's a hefty price for a vacuum. On the other hand, Tikom users also praise its efficient cleaning capabilities and suction power, making it a great value for its price. Eufy X8 Pro flexes with its iPath laser navigation. It's like having a robot with a PhD in floor plans. Tikom L9000, on the other hand, uses 360 degrees LiDAR navigation. It can save up to 5 maps and avoid obstacles like a pro. Reviewers mention that the Tikom L9000 navigates efficiently around obstacles and is great at creating maps for effective cleaning. Eufy, you might be smart, but Tikom is practically a cartographer. Eufy X8 Pro has a tangle-free roller brush that automatically removes hair. No more playing barber with your vacuum. Tikom isn't just a vacuum, it's a mop too. Reviewers appreciate Tikom's mopping function, though some mention the water tank is small. It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal at a cleaning buffet. Eufy brags about 45 days of hands-free cleaning with its auto-empty station. Reviewers mention that it also has excellent suction and dirt collection capabilities, though some reported issues with battery life over time. Tikom gives you 150 minutes of runtime and self-charging. Reviewers highlight its long battery life and ability to clean a large area on one charge. Eufy, you might last longer, but Tikom is like that friend who always remembers to charge their phone. Both vacuums let you customize cleaning via an app and voice control. Eufy has AI Map 2.0 for tailored cleaning, while Tikom supports Alexa and Google Home. Reviewers appreciate Tikom's user-friendly app and its ability to create customized cleaning schedules. Tikom even offers 14 no-go zones. That's like having a bouncer for your carpets. Overall, reviewers are impressed with the eufy X8 Pro's powerful suction and smart navigation, though some have concerns about its battery life. The Tikom L9000 is praised for its efficiency, ease of use, and additional mopping function, making it a great all-rounder for its price. So which vacuum should you buy? If you want a robot vacuum that's practically a PhD graduate and don't mind shelling out the big bucks, the eufy X8 Pro is your guy. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch and can even mop your floors, the Tikom L9000 takes the cake. Or should I say, the dust. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and keep your floors clean.